Just out in the woods today, in the snow, enjoying the snow. What a beautiful sight it is too. When the snow lay on the ground, deep and crisp and even, I was hoping to catch some form of wildlife, perhaps fox or deer or whatever else there is, because there's only me around. And for most of the time I keep quiet. But animals are very clever. They know we humans are not always friendly, so they keep out of our way. So this is where all the animals are hanging out, is it? I wonder why I couldn't find any in the woods.